Kind of breezy out here. Alright. And here you see the light. Blinded by the light. Wrapped up like a douche. Oh, no, never mind. Okay. So this is what our windows. There we go. This is our dining room window. Right there's the table that I just did the screen on. And this is what it looks like. I like that. The whole house is getting done that way. I like that. That just looks super. And right now our bedroom window is it's kind of hard to everything's backwards here. So yeah, all the windows are gonna get done. Maybe not the other one over there because I just replaced one screen. We'll see. But as far as all the house facing ones, I mean all the street facing ones. So I got 1, 2, on the bay window. The only ones that have them are the only screens you got are these. And then the next one that needs replaced is the bathroom one. Kind of a weird tear there. I don't know exactly what happened. And then the kitchen window, which by the way, when the sun sets over here, it shines right into there onto the TV, so that will help out a lot. And we got that one, the other part of the kitchen, and then another bedroom here. Whether or not we do that one, I don't know. I just fixed the one on the screen door. The washing room screen does not need to be replaced. We'll see. I mean, I just spent $8, $9 on a roll to fix 2 windows. So, and I do have all that screen that I pulled off and then 2 big windows. I did save just in case, you know, we get some hail damage or something. So that's it, folks. I'll just wanted to show you what it looks like installed. I like it. The wife likes it. So whole house will be getting done that way. So alright guys, I will, and that's bright. Give me a haircut. Alright guys, we'll see you later.